In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of continuous monitoring for your web accessibility. And my recommendation is to use the RAMP platform by accessibleweb.com. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. Accessibility is not a project, it's a maintenance responsibility. Continuous monitoring is an important step in ensuring that your website remains in compliance. As we've seen with the Title II pushback, it's just a matter of time before these rules and regulations are just as important as before, and in my opinion, they already are. Continuous accessibility monitoring is an important step to ensure that your website remains in compliance. Websites change every single day, but accessibility has to keep up. Your website is going to change every time someone adds new content, creates a landing page, changes a template or a theme, or even installs or updates a plugin. Web accessibility is not a one-time project, it's an ongoing maintenance responsibility, and that is where continuous monitoring earns its value. Why monitoring matters. An audit is a snapshot. Monitoring is the movie. A one-time audit is going to tell you what's wrong at one point in time, and findings start aging the moment the report is delivered. There's no visibility into content or template changes. There's no system to assign or actually track or verify those fixes. And honestly, those tiny risks can compound very quickly. With continuous monitoring, you understand what is happening right now and with any new updates. It can surface brand new WCAG violations as they appear, shows when and where the new barriers show up, and it folds accessibility into the publishing process. It can really help catch issues early before they actually become big nightmare projects. And this is because websites are always changing. They're like a living system. And really, they're not going to stay accessible unless someone is checking them. We assign those issues to the right people to fix them. We then re-verify that that content has actually been made accessible, and that we embed accessibility inside of our publishing process. Here's a practical workflow for keeping accessibility on track. Number 1, find. Automated monitoring surface accessibility issues as the site changes. Number 2, prioritize. Tasks are ranked by severity and frequency so teams can work on what matters most. Number 3, understand. Each task includes the effective page, failure description, a code snippet, and remediation guidance. Number 4, work is assigned to owners. It could even be connected to Jira so teams work where they already are. Number 5, verify. Rescan and document progress to confirm that the fix was actually held. And then you just repeat that process. Keep monitoring as the site improves, every release and every new page. Think of web accessibility like security or site maintenance. You should not secure a website once and then ignore it for 3 years. Accessibility works the same exact way. Every update creates a chance for something to break. Continued monitoring helps teams catch those problems early, fix them faster, and avoid letting the small problems turn into a full remediation project. Now, something you should understand is that automated monitoring is not going to replace manual testing. What a scanner can catch well: missing form labels, color contrast failures, empty links and buttons, heading structure issues, some ARIA errors, and any images missing alt attributes. But there's still the need for human testing, whether or not your alternate text is actually meaningful, keyboard logic and tab order, screen reader usability end-to-end, form instructions and error handling, reading order and content flow, and whether or not this experience makes sense to people with disabilities. My recommendation is to use the RAMP platform by accessibleweb.com because it can help you monitor and track and manage the accessibility of your website. It provides monitoring, giving your team visibility. It also has task management, giving your team accountability. And finally, it also provides remediation guidance to give your team direction. Turn accessibility from a one-time cleanup step into an ongoing process. If you want to try out the RAMP platform by accessibleweb.com today, check out the link below this video. And if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, you can book a meeting with me right now. There's going to be a link below this video too. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over in the next video.